horses out, all in. Pass to begin, down on the inside, Salinas, Sale Street. Then moving up on the outside, Mayor, Bulaklakin. Sugar Free comes next, Marcus Wolf, Rocky Peller, Jai Hope, Flying Hope, and Princess Jellic is the early trailer. We have Sale Street by about 2 lengths. All in now in second, running by Drell Salinas. Sugar Priest racing in fourth. Then moving up now in fifth, Flying Hope. Then followed by Marcus Wolf, Rocky Peller, Princess Jellic, Jaiho, and Mayor Bulaklakin now racing in last. Meanwhile, we have Sale Street by Abaranek moving up in between horses. All in, Sugar Free alongside. Then comes Salinas in fourth, Flying Hope, Princess Jellica by Drell, Marcus Wolf, Rocky Peller. Then followed by Jai Ho and Mayor Bulaklakin. Now we have All in between horses. Sugar Free on the outside, Sale Street. Princess Jellic is racing in fourth. Then comes Rocky Peller. All in takes the lead now by Auralenka. Sugar Priest on the outside. Down on the inside, Sale Street, Princess Jellic, Rocky Peller as they come down at the last 150. And it's still All in by Auralenka. Sugar Priest, Rocky Peller, Princess Jellic by Drell. But it's still All in moving up. Sugar Priest on the outside. All in still in front over Sugar Priest, Rocky Peller. And finally, All in. Close, Rocky Peller, Sugar Free, then comes Sale Street, Princess Jellic.
Ano yun? 298?
2911.